scan operator in the context of the game loop. So what we have is we have scan right after the interval that is combined with the keyboard input. So we're gonna use types from Typescript. So in that case, in the scan, what we have is a function that has accelerator and the current value as the parameters. So accelerator in that case will be our game object. For now, we're just gonna pass in an empty object, so just curly braces. And for the current value, because we have the interval and the keyboard input, that will be an array. First value will be interval, second will be a keyboard input. And the way it looks is what we have here. You will see that. So this is game loop, this is the state updater, and that's our function. So in that case, accelerator will be any object, and in that case, the initial value is just curly braces, so object. And then current value is an array. So I have a variables assigned here. First one is iteration, the second one is keyboard input. Iteration comes from the game loop, which is interval, and the key down is a key of the keyboard event. So that's a number and a string. So that's basically this bit here. It's our function that we pass into the scan operator. And it has those two values because that's the game loop and the combined latest with key down. And these two values are passed into the state updater, which is a scan operator. And that's this. Pretty simple, right? So that's basically how you use types and how values in the function that is passed into the scan operator takes the values and the types.